Casual outfits are really comfortable, they're so comfy. But we'll be talking about those casual outfits that are not just comfortable, but make you look elegant, make you stand out. You know, those outfits you have in your closet that make you feel like you've got your life together. Yeah. Even when you're just running errands or you're just meeting up with friends. Those outfits, yeah. So let's start. First up, let's talk about the classic white tee and jeans. Yeah, I know that you will have heard this several times because it's easy, it's simple, it keeps you looking good, clean, and fresh. Now, styling matter in looking elegant in this outfit. Tuck in the shirt in partially or fully. Cinch your waist with a sleek belt that's got a gold buckle. That's a win-win for me. It's something simple, not too much. And don't forget shoes. Shoes are important. Now you want to pair it up with a classic white sneakers for that comfy yet elegant look. Or you could do the fancy slides. You know those fancy slides that are mature looking. Most of them don't even have designs on them, like they don't have embellishment on them. Especially those brown ones. For me, those brown colors are so much and beautiful. They don't have much designs or stones or beads or what have you on them. They keep your look as mature and elegant as it can get. You can do those, or if you want to get a bit fancy, try flats. Flats will keep you looking elegant and still comfortable. Don't forget a cross bag that's got those detailed embellishment on them. It pulls your look together. And for accessories, less is often more because we are looking casual and we still want to look elegant. So use those simple small gold earrings, a classic wristwatch, and don't forget a stylish sunglass for when you're out and about. And that will keep you looking elegant and fresh. Next up, let's talk about the midi dress. Honestly, it's a go-to when it comes to looking nice without thinking too much. A nice flowy dress in a soft fabric is perfect. Now paired with a ballet flat or a stylish classic sandal, something that is comfortable but still looks cute. Yes, and don't forget to accessorize. You want to keep it simple as possible because we're going for a casual, comfortable, and elegant look. Next up, let's talk about the casual classic blazer over a top. Now, if you want to take your jeans and top combo up a notch, throw on some blazer. For those days when I feel like I just want to be simple and I wear a top and a jean and it's just looking too simple, I throw on a blazer and it instantly changes the look. I promise you. It does for me. It has always worked for me, and I promise you, you look casual but still look elegant. Now you want to consider colors. Neutral colors works for me all the time. So you can try colors like beige, colors like gray, soft colors, soft pastel. They work all the time. They make you look effortlessly, casually, chic and elegant. For shoes, loafers are great for keeping things a bit laid back. But if you want to dress it up a little bit, you want to take it up a bit, you want to be more dressy, you could wear block heels. You know those block heels that are 2 3 inches? Yeah, just those ones are really, really good. They make you look more dressy and they're comfortable but still give you that stylish, elegant look. Now, accessories important. I always tell you to always accessorize no matter how simple. Now, for this look, you want to layer simple, delicate necklaces, a simple, stylish earring, then say a simple wristwatch, something really small. Then don't forget sunshades, but you may necessarily never need sunshade for this. But a structured handbag is important. It ties your look together. It elevates your look from being too overly laid back. You still look casual, but you look more stylish. Next on the list is the high-waisted trouser. I promise you, it's a game changer. It's an amazing, casual, elegant looking outfit. Now, styling matters. Aside that, it makes your legs look longer. It gives you that elegant, flattering silhouette. Plus, it always just help you tuck in your belly. It keeps your belly in place. It keeps your belly intact. Now, you want to pair it with a classic chic top that's still cozy. And don't forget to, now, your shoes matter. If you want to keep it really, really simple, like really, really down, you can wear flats. But for me, most of the times, especially when I'm feeling it, I love to wear block heels, those small heels, block heels. It just works for me. It takes my casual look to an elegant look instantly. It works for me always, always. Then a structured bag will pull your look together. And for accessories, delicate necklaces, fancy simple hand rings, a classic simple earring, and a belt to cinch your waist. If you've got those simple dress in your wardrobe, throw a denim jacket over it and you are good to go. I promise you. You see those denim jackets on simple dresses, whether it's a bodycon, an A-line, a maxi dress, or a simple flowy dress, denim jacket just gives it the right amount of edge. Now you want to pair it with a classic fancy beautiful sneakers if you want to look stylish. Maybe you want to look a little bit laid back, you can add a stylish classic slide. Yeah. And if you want to look more sporty, you can add a face cap. Yeah. Then those fancy, classy looking handbags for accessories, delicate layer, delicate necklaces, simple necklaces, maybe a hoop earring or a stud earring, whichever style you prefer to go for. Remember that we're trying to be casual and still look elegant. Yeah, and don't forget the sunshade, a stylish sunglass. It pulls your look together. It's simple, classic, casual. It doesn't do too much. It doesn't say too much. And you're on the go. Now let's talk about those matching cord sets. I feel like they're a cheat code when it comes to looking stylish, comfortable. I mean, they've got zero effort. I mean, so stylish, comfy, elegant, but zero, like no effort whatsoever. Whether it's a top and a short or a blouse and trousers, they're so easy and they always keep you looking well put together. Now it's best to go for soft, light fabrics for those warm days. Yeah, they give you that simple, comfortable but still stylish look. Then for accessories, you want to keep it simple, minimalist jewelry, nothing over the top, say a delicate necklace, a delicate bracelets, simple earrings, then those fancy bags or a classic cross bag will give your look that finished, stylish, comfortable look. And finally, let's talk about the relaxed fit jumpsuit. Yes, those relaxed fit jumpsuits are a classy yet comfortable and casually looking outfit. It's like wearing pajamas but way more stylish. Now you want to go for the ones that are well cinched at the waist area, very cinched at the waistline, because it'll give you that flattering silhouette, to give you that flattering figure, that flattering look. Then you pair it with a strappy sandal or a stylish slide to complete your look. And a crossbag is a must. It's practical and cute. And for accessories, a statement belt and oversized earring will give your outfit, will give your look volume. And you can add the floppy hats to make your outfit pop. And that's that. You're more comfortable, more casual, and very stylish and elegant. Importantly, jewelries make your look appear elegant, especially if the details are well put together, if they are not too much. And there you have it, ladies. These are casual outfits, 7 casual outfit ideas that are comfortable, elegant, easy to put together, easy to follow. They're perfect for those days when you want to feel stylish, you want to feel good without putting in too much effort. Remember that the most important thing is being confident in whatever you wear, because these are what really makes the outfit. If you're not confident in what you wear, your style, your look won't really speak volume. And don't forget, comfort. Being comfortable is key as well. So if you enjoyed today's episode, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Also share to those that might be in need of this. For those of you still struggling with how to put your casual outfit together to make you look elegant and still stylish, watch this video, share to those that might need it, and I'm definitely sure I'll see you in my next video. Remember that confidence is key. Being confident in what you wear is important, and don't sacrifice comfort as well. Stay stylish, keep shining, enjoy being elegant, stylish, and comfortable, and enjoy experimenting and trying outfits that just works for you and that's your go-to. So don't forget to drop in the comment section. Let me know which of these outfits is your favorite, and if you have any go-to casual looks. Bye.